It's your fault. Huh? Give me your other hand. Huh? I will video it. I will tell Dada what you did. Look at our alcohol. No more. No more. You spill it out. Why did you do that? It's empty. No more na.
Sorry.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. It's your fault. Huh? Give me your other hand. Huh? Why you like that?
Because I want to feel water.
What because? Because what? Why did you throw all the ano? Why did you spill it out? Why you need to do that? It's not man a toy. Why?
I promise.
What promise?
I promise. And I do that. I promise.
Promise you not to it. Again, you always say that. I know you always say that. Different situation, babe. You will throw the electric fan of Ate, the mini electric fan of Ate. It's now damaged. You throw your toys. It's damaged. Now, it's not a toy. You know it's not a toy. I bought it. I pay money for it. Why did you spill it out? Because what?
It's fun. I promise, Mommy.
Promise what?
Mommy, and I do the. I promise.
You promise you not do it again?
And I do that. I promise.
I will tell Dada about this. Dada will get mad at you. Huh? You say sorry to Dada.
Sorry, Dada.
Oh, Dada is not man in the phone. I will call pa Dada. You say sorry to Dada. I will show it to Dada.
Sorry, Dada.
What? You babe.
Sorry, Dada.
What are you going to say to Dada after this?
I promise.
Promise what?
And I do that. I promise.
Not do it again. Oh, it's empty na ha. The eskinol of Ate. Ha? You also spill it out. Ha? Listen. Listen. Ha? Don't do it again ha. Ate's makeup. Ate's eskinol like that. Oh, Ate's putting in the face. The one that she's putting in the face. Don't also touch it ha.
Okay. All people.
Yeah, only big people can touch it. You're still a baby.
Dada, I go big.
When you go big, yes. When you grow big, that's the time that you can touch it. If you want this, you ask assistance, you ask